In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and customize the splice effect in Canva. To get started, open your Canva design and take a moment to find the text or element you want to edit. This effect works especially well when you want to give your design a bold, layered look, so it's great for titles, headings, or standout visual elements. Once you've found the right part of your design, click on it to select it. Make sure the item is actively highlighted before moving on, because Canva only shows the relevant editing options when the element is selected. Next, go to the top toolbar and click on Effects. This is where Canva places many of its visual styling tools, and it's the main area you'll use to change the appearance of your selected text or design element. After opening the Effects panel, look through the available options until you find Splice, then click on it to apply the effect. As soon as you choose Splice, you'll notice your selected item change appearance. This effect creates a separated or shadow-like layered look that can make text feel more dynamic and eye-catching. From here, the most important part is customizing the settings so the result fits your design, rather than overpowering it. You'll see controls for thickness, offset, and direction. Thickness changes how bold or wide the splice effect appears. If you want something subtle, keep the thickness lower. If you want a more dramatic style, increase it gradually. Offset controls the distance between the main text and the duplicated splice layer. A small offset gives a cleaner and tighter look, while a larger offset creates more contrast and movement. Direction changes where the splice effect is positioned, which can completely change the visual feel. Try adjusting it until the effect lines up naturally with the rest of your layout. As you make these changes, keep previewing your design. This part matters because an effect can look great on its own, but feel too strong once you see it in the full composition. Step back and check whether the splice effect supports your overall style, matches your colors, and keeps the text readable. If needed, fine-tune the settings until everything feels balanced. That's it. With just a few adjustments, you can use Canva's splice effect to add more depth and personality to your design while still keeping the final look clean and intentional.